Alright guys, we're up on the platform here to create history. So, from on the ear device,
I see the face.
you don't know a Chef Reid
And Chef Alexander here.
So, you don't know what go on though. I'm going to check the description already. I'm going to check the title too. So here what I'm going to do now. Like while watching.
To the end, no stopping.
Subscribe while you're at it.
Drop a comment, don't forget it.
Take in the intro.
We're so forward.
We're so forward.
Welcome back, guys. So from you see the title, you don't know what we're going to get today. But before we jump into the ingredients, guys, we love the support that we get from our first jackfruit video, or curried jackfruit. So we say, why not give you guys a next one? And jackfruit is in season. So without further ado, we could get into the ingredients them. Star of the show, jackfruit. Or pineapples, sugar, salt, cinnamon powder. As we go along, you'll see the rest of the ingredients.
Yeah guys, so you don't know what go on. So first of all, we're going to get on with the pineapple. We're going to add it to this stainless bowl.
Yeah guys.
Alright, so we're going to add a little sugar. Just like about a teaspoon.
Yum yum.
Then we're going to add a little cinnamon powder. Half teaspoon. Alright guys, so now
we're gonna mix to combine, guys. Yeah guys, and I love the feedback we'll get from the other jackfruit videos as I said before. So I just hope you love that one here just the same. Get it all up in there. And ensure that you guys try the recipe, guys. Quick, simple and easy with seasonal products, right? Jackfruit in a season now.
Yes, so that's how we work with wine in a season, guys.
Yes.
And as I tell you guys, this monumental. And the first time I say this, I'm wanting to try it. Trust me, it'll go epic. We're not gonna love it. Alright, right now guys, I'm gonna add some lime juice.
Yes, guys.
Just a little.
That will do. Mix it in again.
Remember guys, the jackfruit sweet and the pineapple sweet, so we're using the lime juice now to balance that. A little acidity, perfect.
Yes, guys.
Alright, so guys, now we're gonna get on with the stuffing in the jackfruit.
So we're gonna just add the pineapple and cinnamon sugar here in the jackfruit, guys. Just stay tuned, watch what I want. This is go epic.
Alright, so guys, first butter. So I'm gonna add a butter, piece of butter in the jackfruit before adding the pineapples, guys. So watch what I want.
Rest that aside.
Butter. Pineapple.
Jackfruit, guys. Chef Reid the pineapple.
Jackfruit, guys. Alright, so
Add a little piece.
add a little piece. Set this aside. So we're gonna repeat this for all of them.
Yeah, guys. So we are catching up back when we are fill it up with the pineapple. We don't know to get the gif already, right? So we're so forward.
We're so forward.
Look at that, guys. That's all it's gonna look when we stuff this with the pineapple and cinnamon infusion, guys. So now Chef Reid is gonna demonstrate one for you.
Alright guys.
This is a slow and delicate process, guys. Patience do it, is it? But the reward is all in the taste. You don't know?
It's worth it, guys.
That cinnamon and that sugar, all for that flavor. Cause you don't know, in everything we do, we must have flavor and taste. You don't know.
Get it all in there.
We're gonna just sit there. So we're gonna just rest him over here, so with the others, right? Start the next one for sure. No, I go on. Yeah, guys. How is your day going? How is your night going? How is your morning going? Whenever you watch the video, how are you doing? I would just want to say, guys, we love the support that we're getting from each and every one of you. It doesn't matter where you are. Ukraine, Indonesia, India, Jamaica, the UK, Canada. We appreciate you guys.
So I'm going to catch a drift, guys. So when I catch on the back, when I put this on the sheet, we get it in the
oven.
Alright, guys. So stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. If your drink, get a special. As me tell you all the while, if a show style, get a popcorn, caramel vibes. Don't it? Alright, so
we're so forward.
Soon forward.
Look at that, guys. We have a half pan grease, right? You don't know. We have to grease this because we don't want to stick in and none of that. So we're going to just add the jackfruit. Guys, I know so this I got epic. I'm excited for the plating and everything. I find joy in our work. Guys, you would even understand. This is just a passion. You see it? So each and every day we're on air on this platform, creating content for you guys. It's so amazing, right?
I'm not find a bus, guys, but that's how it can work.
All of them not gonna be perfect. So we're gonna just ensure so we get this filled up. Tell me the taste so you think I go come from this, guys. We could just have a chat. Comment down below and tell me the taste what you think. I see if you're there. Are you not like it? Drop a like. Cause this epic. I see if you're not subscribed yet. Subscribe now, guys. Cause this monumental Chef Reid style, you know. I don't know. Alright. And last but not least, you right there, so.
Alright, guys, so now we gotta get this in the oven. So come with you, guys.
Yes, guys, look at that. And we'll have this in the oven for 5 to 6 minutes at 180 degrees Fahrenheit. And you can always get a check, right?
So take it in, guys.
Yes, guys.
So we soon forward again. We are gonna give this 5 to 6 minutes as Chef Alexander tell you. And we get a check for readiness.
So forward.
Soon forward again.
Yes, guys. So we're going to give this the first oven check. Look at that. Beautiful, innit?
Alright, guys. So bear in mind, it's our first glaze. And we are at about the 2-minute mark.
Yes, guys.
And this is some pineapple lemonade, guys. You'll see the ingredients in the description.
So ensure you check the description for the ingredients, guys.
So we're gonna give this 3 more minutes.
And then a removal time, guys.
So we catch on the back when we do the removal.
Look at that, guys. Beautiful. That nice cinnamon sugar. So without further talking, ready. This ready. So you know, say this ready, you know. So tell me what time it is, guys. Tell me what time it is. Time for the banger plating. So just comment down below.
Tell me one thing, guys.
Yeah, guys. Tell me one thing. Look at that. Ooh. Hey, look at that. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna make this cool down for 2 to 3 minutes, cause you don't know, so we can do this hot, and then we are gonna get on with the banger plating. So ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers. But spam up the comment section. We're so forward.
soon forward.
Yeah, guys. Guys, from your see the plate, you not have to ask what time it is. A time for the banger plating. So watch closely.
Alright guys, now I started a little. Right there.
Yes, guys. Look at that.
Yeah guys, I'm here garnish as I go along.
Got that, guys. We have brown right here, right? Look at that brown. Nice. With that brown, we have a lighter brown right there, and that hint of green. Look at the combination. Beautiful, right?
Alright guys. So now guys, we're gonna add some short crust crumble.
Right there. You did know say jackfruit could have turned in a dessert vibe? Comment down below and tell me what you think, because I know some of you are much of surprise and in awe, stunned, but with great creativity it is possible. Yes, guys. Easy, right? 1, 2, 3. Got that, man? Yeah, guys. I love this. No lie. I love this. I really like this. The aesthetic of this is very pleasing. This plating have finesse, guys.
No, I come now, don't.
Drop it down below if you know, and drop it down below if you don't know. But Sita, come here, Sita, come here. Aye, right this so. Right this so. Jackfruit, guys. Star at the show. Give this little color. You don't know how could you do this without the color, right? Guys, I really love that plating here. I really love this.
Simple hour, guys.
Easy and elegant. Right there. Look at that. Look there, man.
You would like what we deserve, guys.
Give it the likes what we deserve. And comment. Give the comment what we can pin, guys. The comment that we can pin. Look at that, guys. The banger for jackfruit dessert, guys. I'm not have to even say no more. Because I know enough I would never expect jackfruit in a form like this. Well, over here. So first, you see this, right? So just like while watching.
To the end. No stopping.
Subscribe while you're at it.
Drop a comment. Don't forget it.
Yeah, guys. So pre-out the plating.
That one, yeah. Epic. EPIC.
Yeah, guys. Really like this. Yeah. Really like this.
Simple. Elegant.
Yeah, guys. That plating here full of finish. So here what we're gonna do.